Hello everybody. I have decided to disassemble and clean the wood stove after about 1 year of use in the indoors in the house. I've cleaned it using the hoover and a homemade attachment. Here are the disassembled parts. So this is the adapter. I think it's 110mm to 120mm. It's for the exit flue. Actually exit part here. And then it connects to 90-degree bend and into this very long flue. So it's 2 times 1 meter segments. The line is here. I've just recently discovered that I can actually lower the rosette much more than the crimping allows. You see, I thought that you can only fit the rosette until here, until this crimping stops. But luckily I can push it down a little bit more. And I'm just gonna put it back into this nasty hole and the rosette is gonna cover it. Here's a glimpse into the adapter piece. Considering what I've burnt inside, it's in quite a good shape after a year of use. I've burnt wood pallets, I've burnt RUF briquettes, pressed logs, whatever you call them. I've burnt pine, fir, spruce wood, oak, ash, absolutely everything that was at some point wood I've burnt it, paper and cardboard even. There's only one oxidation spot which you can see here, but other than that it's just covered in soot, so I'm very happy. Now let's take a look at the right angle connecting piece. Here is where the most unburned solid crap collects, so I thought it was gonna be a lot more damage than it is. The only thing I can see is just this small rust oxidated spot. I guess that's where some moisture collects, puddles. It's on the same spot as the adapter, so they overlap. I do believe it's moisture. This is the top facing side. It's quite in a good shape. As I said, a little bit of buildup, but considering what I've burned, I'm absolutely amazed. I am not seeing any cobweb, creosote, nothing. It's just ashes. Okay, this is what she looks like assembled. I need to fill in the cracks just below the rosette, actually above the rosette, and the chimney is ready to be assembled. I'm on my attic at the moment and you're seeing the top side of the ugly ceiling hole. I poured concrete and assembled everything, put the rosette and the flue back into the place. Next, I've conducted a successful test using this ceramic pieces. They all fit. I'm just waiting for the cement to cure, and they have an opening in which an aluminum gate fits. It's the following night and the cement has cured into a nice flat and even surface. On top of it there is a chamot cape which goes around the ceramic flue segments, but unfortunately there is no opening, so I have to make one. It's a matter of easy measurements, left, right, bottom. Actually, I'll just leave some slack on the side, knowing myself. Measure twice, do it once. The disc is shallow, but I'll manage. Yeah, about that idea. So I had to cut another groove on both sides so I could chisel the crap out of it, because my disc is just too shallow to reach all the way to the inside and I didn't want to buy another one. I made the chamot wet to reduce the amount of dust. And now the fun part. Just like that. Oh, it's a bit stuck. Well, you get the point. Now onto the centerpiece. It's tougher than I anticipated. Don't underestimate stress lines. Nalai. Woo. Let's do it again. Now I'll apply the silicone between the ceramic flue and the rosette. It fits very snugly, but I want it airtight. Motherfucker broke just in the last moment, piece of shit. Well, it fits, so I'll just mortar the fuck out of it. I've also stripped the mortar, fireproof mortar. I think it was rated as 1200 degrees Celsius, but it cracks. And I've put silicone, you cannot see it, but it's actually in the cracks here. I mean, in the cracks, in the voids between the cast iron and the body. And I also need to repaint it with this spray. It's acting up on me, but hey, 800, it's still going. The whole furnace is painted with it, except this part, but you can see it's still a little bit filthy, but it's holding on. I mean, no damage there whatsoever. First burn since I completed the chimney. There's a lot of gasification. Look at these flames. Blue flames, carbon monoxide burning. Nice. Self-cleaning suit. Just one board of oak. I hope you enjoy these flames as much as I do. As always, like, comment and subscribe.